Well, I got two of the blades off, balanced, sharpened. It's these two here. Nice edge on them again. You can see all the material I had to remove for that one to balance it. But this third one here, I managed to, when I turn the nut, the shaft spins without turning the blade, which means on this one, this is worse than the other two, where the little splines that are under there are completely rusted away. I have no way to keep that from just spinning to take the nut off. Well, no easy way of doing it. I think what I'm going to do is just take the grinder and sharpen this side of the blades. Even though it's backwards, it might work. It won't be balanced. There ain't no way of balancing it with it on the machine. That's all I can think of doing. The only other option would be to weld a bar across the pulley on the other side temporarily, which I could do, but that's just a lot of extra work. And then I gotta worry about messing the pulley up, and yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna sharpen this side of the blades and put it all back on the lawnmower. Yeah, I'm not gonna show you guys that. Keep this video short, under 10 minutes. So that'll be that. I'm gonna straighten out. There's a bend and kink in there. Got the hammers and stuff out, so might as well do it while it's out. So I'll talk to you later.